y'all? Welcome back to another video. It is your boy Eddie, aka Inzane. I appreciate y'all for coming back to another video. And if you guys are new, welcome to the channel. Welcome to the Inzane fam. If y'all were up to date on the last video, if you guys seen the last video, I know it was a movie, but if you guys seen it through, you guys heard about me talking about the seats and that whole thing. I did reach out to him and we're getting it, resolved. We're getting it all good. A little miscommunication, I guess. I don't know, but we'll touch up on that a little later. But we got some packages though. We got some Rex Speed packaging, bro. We got 2 of them. I did tell you guys one of them was the carbon door garnishes, so that is it. And then I did tell you guys a while back that I was gonna get the carbon fiber engine plates, like on top. You feel me? When you open the hood, you see it, like the cooling plates. I think that's where it goes to the cooling radiator. I don't know. Those carbon fiber parts though. And then I also ordered the lug nut conversion kit. He also got wheel spacers, so I got a couple of things for the Supra, even with the seats. I got the video right now, trying to upload the video. So you guys just saw the last video uploading right now. Yeah, last video was a little wild. The whole seat thing, I reached out to him. We're getting that, resolved. We good. And if you guys didn't really see last video, so they told me that it wasn't used. I don't know. They said that they had took off the wrapping, and during the process of being in the van and everything, it got dirty. But I don't. This is just me. I'm taking the word for it. I'm taking the word for it. I don't know, bro. How do you get this dirty? Like, like you had to have been sitting here. Your hands have to be here a lot. I don't know. It's on both sides, so I don't know if you guys can see that. Let me see if I can. But like this whole seam right here is like dirty. Then like this part is like creased as well, and on the new one is not, like, doesn't feel creased at all. But you guys can't tell because it's still in the bag. But you can see through the mirror. It doesn't have the stitching. That one doesn't have all that, or the emblem here, the status. I don't know, but I sent them a video, so hopefully we could negotiate something, and we'll go from there. I wasn't trying to like bash them in the last video either. That was like not my intentions at all. That was just how I was feeling. You feel me? Like just me assuming shit. Yeah, so actually, I'm gonna take these pieces to the car shop. We're gonna see right now. Hopefully it's on the lift, and if they're working on the coilovers, if they are, whoop-de-whoop, we get some content. If not, we're just dropping off the carbon bits off anyways. I think I'm gonna keep the engine one because I want to install that myself. I'm gonna show you guys, so I'm unboxing it right now. So yeah, let me set you guys up right here real quick. This is the carbon engine bits. Wait, what? I think this is a cover. No way. I think this is like an overlay. No. It's whack, bro. Look at the carbon though on it. I don't know if you guys can see that or not. Carbon weave. I hope you guys can see that. Now let's see the carbon door garnishes. Take them out. I don't want to see it. And here's the carbon door garnish. Damn, shit, nice. I'm like over here thinking about like the whole seat situation and shit, and it just goes to show, bro, I have trust issues. For sure, bro. I got them, bro. I got them trust issues, bro. And I feel like if you do me wrong, bro, I'm gonna feel it deep down, and I just be like, own up to it type shit, if it is. If not, I'm just being very extra and just dramatic and overthinking. If it was in a van, it'd probably get dirtier, or like I don't think the side handles would get dirty like that if it was just sitting in a van, or I don't know. But like I said, I have trust issues, so that's why I just keep thinking like other or just different scenarios and shit like that. So, but I could be in the wrong, I could be totally in the wrong, and we're still figuring out something. We're trying to see what's gonna happen. Yeah, I'll keep you guys in the loop, but still haven't left yet. Just waiting for this video to almost upload, and then I'm gonna head over there right now. I was just thinking about that right now because I was like, damn, bro, I got trust issues. I don't know. If I feel like you did me wrong, I'm gonna feel it. I don't know. Something about it, like it's a gut feeling that I just feel like I don't know. You disrespect me or something? I don't know, but I could be overthinking. It's a beautiful day, man. Well, afternoon, I guess you could say. But you already know where we going. Yeah, in the Denali. We got the wheel spacers. I went with 15 mil in the rear and 13 mil in the front. And you guys are wondering why'd you get spacers? Because my wheels that I ordered still haven't, they're still in the process of being made. So I don't want, when I have the coilovers sitting low and the wheels are so tucked in, I'd rather just have the flush fitment. And then later on, if I want, I could just always sell it. I'm not worrying. I'm not tripping about it. So decided to just get spacers for the meantime, just so the car looks good and everything looks all even. And I got the lug nut conversion kit too. So yeah, let's go take all this and let's see if the car's on the lift, hopefully. So unfortunately, the boy Luis was not there, so I didn't drop off anything. But the car was just still in the same spot where you guys seen it in the last video. I don't know if I showed y'all. But it's just basically parked. It's still not on the lift, waiting to be put on the lift. But yeah, we'll just come back Monday and see what's up. I have everything in the car, but I'm gonna just take it out again because I do not want to be having all this in the car. Yerp. So he's back in the car because I just got a phone call from Luis that the car is on the lift and they're working on the suspension right now, but they want me to go so I can give them like the height that I want. I'm gonna take them the wheel spacers and like the lug nut conversion, just so like since they have it already, they can do that and put it and install it since the wheels are already off. I was gonna paint the wheels, but I'm like just thinking right now, like, bro, if I have them do that, the car's gonna just be there so much longer, and I just want the car back. I'm like, you know what, I don't even care if the wheels aren't painted. I was like, I'll take them how it is. I was just gonna paint them gloss black just so it flows with everything that's already gloss black and everything like that. So, but I'll pick up the camera when I get there and I'll let y'all know what happens. So we came back, bro, and yeah, they got the coilovers and everything here. He was just asking me actually because it gets rid of the EDC, which is the electric dampening system. It gets rid of that with the BC coilovers. Like if you got the KWs, like they have that option to keep it, but those things are like expensive. He was just telling me like, would there be any codes or anything like that? And I was telling him, I don't think so. There shouldn't be any codes. I'd never put coilovers on the Supra, so I wouldn't know, but I don't think there throws any codes. I think we should be straight. But he was just like telling me like if it would or anything like that. But I'm like, I don't think so. I think we'll be fine. You know, I've seen people put coilovers on their car, and I think it should be fine. I hope. You know, we'll see though. We'll find out. But got the wheel spaces and everything, bro, and they're working overtime, bro. Everybody's like pretty much closing up, going home, but they're working overtime. Hell yeah. This is looking good, bro. So we got the spacers, coilovers, the lug nut conversion kit. It's about to make the wheels pop out and sit more flush. Hell yeah. Like I told you, I'm hopefully aiming for by February 14th it's back, bro. Hopefully by then. So we'll see. Hopefully. Rear end looking good though. They got one side done right here. They're looking pretty good. We got the BCs in here, but we don't know if it's gonna give us any codes. That's the thing, we don't know. I was looking online to see if anybody's done BCs, and not many videos up on BC coils for this, so we'll see. We'll see, bro. If we'll throw any, if it gets codes thrown on or anything like that. Hopefully not though. But yeah, we gotta adjust the ride height and all that. So yep. But we got one side done. Then he's gonna do the other side, and then he's gonna finish up the rest tomorrow. We getting up out of here. They're gonna finish up the rest of the back right now. So they're gonna finish up one more side. They finished one already. They're gonna finish the other side, and then he's gonna come back in the morning to finish off the rest. And then, yeah, I told him tomorrow I'm gonna see if I can come. I'm gonna try, but I probably won't because I'll be working. But if I can, you know, make it over here and get some footage. What the fuck is that? Bro, my dad's truck was tripping right now, bro. The step thing that you get out from the truck was like tripping. It just kept like malfunctioning. I thought I broke some shit. What the fuck, bro? It scared me. So it's been like a day after. No, it's been a couple days since I picked up the seat, and I did tell you guys I was gonna keep y'all updated and see what's up, what happens, and everything. They did get back to me. I did hit them up. I told y'all I was gonna hit them up, see what's up, and so they're saying that it got dirty during transportation, and you know what? I'm gonna give them the benefit of the doubt. It probably did. You know, they probably opened it up or whatever for whatever reason. You know, they wanted to see it, and you know, they had it like this. I don't know if I'm just being too nice, but whatever. But to me, it's like, it just doesn't make sense, like how the sides here would get dirty during transportation, you know, and like how the seat would get creased and things like that. Like, I don't know, bro. I don't know. I'm just being, you know, extra or whatever. Call me extra. I don't know. Like, the only way to get this dirty really is like, you know, like if you're grabbing it here or picking it up, or I don't know if you're picking yourself up from sitting here. And then also the badging and all that. So I don't know, whatever. I sent them a whole video, you know, shit, comparing the seats and all that. So they told me, gave me options because like I told y'all, I never had the tracking number for the new one. So the new one in the packaging is mine. The other one, they gave me an option to. So they said I have the option to keep it, not free, pay a good enough discount price for it, and keep this one, or they said they would knock off $100 to any seat that I want, and we'll order the brand new one. So I'm gonna probably just go with the other option of just keeping it because it's already here and it's gonna be a passenger seat, so I don't even mind. They hooked it up with a fat discount on the seat though, so I mean, they're trying to make it right, you know. And if it was a mistake, I get it and all. If it isn't, you know, if they ain't keeping it 100 with me, then you know it is what it is. You know, karma will do its thing. Yeah, bro. So we're keeping both the seats. We just wanted to let y'all know, you know, like it's resolved, everything's cool. But yeah, it's Sunday today. I'm just chilling, watching YouTube videos. I'm actually watching Chris Borges' video right now. Yeah, tomorrow we'll go to the shop to get more updates on the Supra. He said that he finished the coilovers yesterday, which was Saturday. So check Monday on it, see if they did finish it, and see what's up. And then take over the carbon fiber door garnishes. And then like I had got the seat bracket for this other seat. I ordered the other seat bracket. It's right there. But they sent me the wrong one. They sent me a seat bracket for a BMW E chassis or F chassis, whatever, but it ain't the one that I need. So I emailed them. Hopefully they can send me one this week and I can just send them back that one, whatever. We'll get it exchanged. Everything's all resolved with Street Hunter, you know, we cool, everything fine. Giving them the benefit of the doubt, you know, because I like their products, bro, and it's, you know, like, I'm just really hope, you know, they didn't do me wrong and, you know, they telling the truth. That's it. That's the update for right now. But it is raining, bro, and there is a squirrel just munching right now. Look. He's trying to get the chocolate syrup. Oh, he dropped it. Oh, no, he didn't. He's like, give me this chocolate, bro. Give me that chocolate. Bro, look at this. This camera is so good. Alright, bye. Damn, bro, it is raining hard right now like crazy. It is slowed down. That's why I am in the truck, because I'm gonna go take some things to the shop real quick that I have to drop off. Bro, it is raining like crazy, and I was like, you know what, let me go right now. It's not raining that hard. You're gonna see if hopefully they installed the coilovers, like I said. I think they already did. They told me. So let's go see on that, see if everything's good. And I don't even know if they're working today actually, so we're about to find out right now if they are and if they're there. So I'm looking at the Supra right now, and bro, it looks good, bro. They already had it out here on the floor and the coilovers is on, and bro, the spacers are on, and it looks hella good. I think the lug nuts are too. Hold up. Man, the lug nuts are on too, so this is sick. But look, she's pretty much all settled. I mean, look at the knife. I don't know if they adjusted the height, but bro, it looks so good. Ooh, I'm getting water in my lens. But yeah, bro, like I said, she's looking good. The fitment is on point, bro. Look at that. The spacers really help. 13 mil in the front, 15 mil in the rear, and bro, it looks good. Look at that, bro. Almost like flush. Obviously we could drop it more, but I don't want to drop it more until I get the other wheels. But it sits really nice. It still has to settle, so it's gonna sit very, very nice, bro. But look at that. Obviously still gotta settle, so I'll probably drop a little bit more, but I do have the extreme lows, so if I want to drop it more, I could drop it more. But damn, bro, it's almost done. Almost done. Just a couple more cosmetic things, and I think they gotta work on the harness, but yeah, she's almost done, yo. Alright, so we is getting up out of here. It is just raining so damn hard right now, and I already dropped off all the stuff I needed to, talk to him, what has needed to be done and what's left and all that. So what's left is a sensor that for the front bumper. They're also looking for the transmission mount. They have it somewhere in the shop, but they're just looking for it, so I gotta find that. I think that's pretty much it. And then he said he's just got, oh, he fixed the harness, that one harness I showed you guys that was hanging, and I thought was gonna have to take the whole car apart and all that. He said he didn't have to do that. He was just able to cut it and just, you know, saw it together or whatever, put it in together. Yeah, you know what I mean. He did that. The wire is good, the harness is fine. Yeah, just putting everything back, like the front lip, putting the side skirts on, and then we'll see when all that's on to adjust the ride height, see if we want to go lower or anything like that. Yeah, the last thing getting put on is the seats, so those are gonna be at the very end. The seats are getting put on at the very end. Now they said they're probably not gonna work on it because it's raining, which I get. And it's gonna be raining for like, I think, the next 2 days or next 3 days. I hope it's just the next 2 days and they can start working on it ASAP. It be like that, man. It be like that, but it's okay. He'll be back soon, you know. No rush. Just impatient. But I have to learn how to be patient. But it's okay, bro. It's been raining hard lately. I mean, right now it's kind of fine, but earlier, bro, it was raining like crazy. We good. So that is gonna do it for today's vlog, bro. So as you guys seen, the Supra is almost done. It is almost done. Just a couple more cosmetic things. Like I said, they said they weren't gonna work on it right now because it is raining, and it's still raining. So hopefully tomorrow it stops and they can start working on it. Yeah, bro, super excited that it's coming back. Seats are right there. Like I said, those are the last things getting put on. 300 work cool. Everything's fine with them. If you guys are new, make sure you guys hit the subscribe button, be part of the family, so you guys stay up to date on the Supra. It is almost back. Couple more things, and then we're still waiting on wheels and all that, so still waiting on the exhaust too. Damn, I can't forget about that. The exhaust, it's pretty much all that we're waiting for. I don't know if it's gonna be ready by the 14th, but it looks of it probably ain't. But yeah, it just is what it is. It's out of my control and I just have to wait. But if y'all enjoyed this video, make sure y'all hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and be part of the family, so you guys stay up to date with the whole build and everything, and more content to come. Yeah, this has been your boy Inzane, and I'm out.